and 10. Alright, at this moment, kakanta natin ang birthday ng ating birthday boy na si Inigo. Come on, guys! Everybody! Clap your hands, everybody! Come on, kids! Alright, mas malakas, mas mabilis. Come on, everybody! One more time! Alright, once again, give a big shout of happy birthday, Inigo, in 1, 2, 3! Happy birthday, Inigo! Alright, Inigo, Daddy Russell and Mommy Joyce, blow the candle. Come on. In 1, 2, and... Palakpakan! Yes, at this moment, hindi mawawala ang birthday wish ni Mommy Joyce.